Good day, what's up math experts? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss another example for the differentiation of algebraic function. So we have here the algebraic function which takes the form of y is equals to the quantity of 3x plus 4 squared times the quantity of x minus 5 cubed. So in this manner, you can see, I assume also that you are already familiar with the different rule for differentiation. So in this manner, we can use the product rule which takes the form of d over dx times u times v, which means u and v are the two differentiable functions, which equals to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So this will be the format that we're going to use to simplify or to get the derivative of the given function. So we have here the derivative of our function y is equals to the derivative of the entire function, which is the quantity of 3x plus 4 squared times the quantity of x minus 5 to the power of 3. So this will be the first step. So now we are going to identify which of this which from our function is v and which is u. So our u will be the first expression, which is 3x plus 4 squared, and our v is equals to x minus 5 cubed. So this is now the value that we are going to be use in order to follow the format of the product rule. So we have here, let us continue this expression. So using this format, so we have derivative of dy over dx is equals to, we have here u, our u is 3, the quantity of 3x plus 4 squared, times the derivative of v. So we have the derivative of our function v, which is x minus 5 cubed, okay, plus the value of your v, which is x minus 5 to the power of 3, times the derivative of your function u, which is 3x plus 4 squared. Okay, so now in this case, we are going to get the derivative of these two expressions with the power. So we can infer that in the rule of differentiation, any number or expression raised to a power, it should you should use the power rule. So which takes the form of the power rule takes the form of d over dx un, where u is the function and n is any real number, so or exponent, is equals to n minus 1 du over dx. So this will be the format that we're going to use to solve the derivative of this expression. So let us proceed. 3x plus 4 squared, derivative of x minus 5 cubed, that will become, following this format, we have our n is 3, so 3, our u is x minus 5 times x minus 5 raised to 3 minus 1. Then derivative of the inner expression, so d over dx times x minus 5, since our u is x minus 5. Next, plus the second expression, which is x minus 5 cubed, derivative of this one, the same manner, since it is raised to exponent, so we are going to use power rule. So we have times 2 times 3x plus 4, then 2 minus 1, then derivative of our inner expression 3x plus 4. So let us continue. So again, do not be confused with this format because we are just following the power rule. So in this case, we have the quantity of x minus 5 cubed. So by using the power rule, we can say that x minus 5 is equivalent to u and the exponent 3 is our n. So therefore, by having the derivative of u to the power of n, or the quantity of x minus 5 cubed, that will take n, 3, u, x minus 5, and our exponent is 3 minus 1. So that is why we arrive in this kind of expression. So the same with the second expression of 3, the quantity of 3x plus 4 squared. Okay? So now let us continue simplifying. We have 3x plus 4 squared times 3 times x minus 5 to the quantity of 3 x minus 5 to the power of 3 minus 1, that will become 3 times x minus 5 squared, since 3 minus 1 is 2. Then derivative of x minus 5, that is 1. Why 1? Because derivative of x is 1 and derivative of the constant 5 is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So plus, we have x minus 5 cube times 2 times the quantity of 3x plus 4 to the power of 2 minus 1. So that will become 2 times 3x plus 4, and then derivative of your 3x plus 4, that is only 3, because derivative of 3x is 3 and the derivative of the constant 4 is 0. So 3 plus 4, that is 0. So times 3. Okay, so now continue simplifying. We have 3x plus 4 squared. We have 3 times 1, that will become 3 times x minus 5. So you will say 3 x minus 5 squared, okay, plus x minus 5 cube, or the quantity of x minus 5 to the power of 3. Then we have to simplify 2 times 3, that is, okay, we have 6 times 3x plus 4. Okay, so let us write it in a correct way. 3 times 3x plus 4 squared, I mean 3, the quantity of 3x plus 4 to the power of 2 times 3 times x minus 5 to the power of 2, that will become 3 times 3x, the quantity of 3x plus 4 to the power of 2 times the quantity of x minus 5 squared, plus multiplying all these expressions, we have 6 times x minus 5 cube, and we have 3x plus 4. Okay, so as you can see, we have common between the two expression, from this and from this. So we have, for the constant, we have a common of 3, and for, yes, we have 3. So let us get the common factor of the two expression here and here. So we have, for the number, we have 3. So for the common is 3x plus 4 and x minus 5 squared. So you will say 3x plus 4, and we have x minus 5 squared. So it will become, so we have 3x plus 4, and we have plus 2 times x minus 5. Yes, we arrive in this because we get the common factor of the two expressions. So the common factor is 3 times 3x, the quantity of 3x plus 4 times the quantity of x minus 5 squared. So now we can simplify the given function here. So we have 3 times 3x plus 4 x minus 5 squared. So times, let us simplify, 3x plus 4 plus 2x minus 5. Just distribute 2 to the expression, to the terms of expression. So we have 2 times x, 2x, 2 times negative 5, that is negative 5, is equals to, so we can have let us combine terms, the same terms or like terms, x minus 5. So we have 3 plus 3x plus 2x, that is 5x, 4 minus 5, that is negative 1. So we have 5x minus 1. Since we have this kind of expression, we can still simplify 3x plus 4 and 5x minus 1. So we still have 3 times x minus 5 squared times 3x plus 4 times 5x minus 1. So we can get 3x minus 5 squared. So this is you can use FOIL method, or you can just directly multiply this one. So we have 3x times 5x, that will become 15x squared. 3x plus 3x times negative 1, negative 3x, then 20x, that will become 17x for the middle term. And we have the outer term, we have 4 times negative 1, we have negative 4. So you can have this one as your answer already for getting the derivative of the given function y is equals to the quantity of 3x plus 4 squared times x minus 5 cube. So this is now the final answer. So you can have 3 times the quantity of x minus 5 squared times the quantity of 15x squared plus 17x minus 4. Or you can have this form already as the answer. So I hope you have understand the process of getting the derivative of the given function, which takes the form of y is equals to 3x plus 4 squared times the quantity of x minus 5 cubed. So that's all for this video, math experts. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thank you and God bless everyone.